Okay, hi guys. Today I want to show you how to draw a dragon base, and first thing I want to just say that I'm Italian and my English is not really perfect, but it's okay. So let's actually start. You will need 3 paper. I will put the list of the materials that you will need. So take the first paper and fold it over and over many times like this. Look, and this will be the bigger part of your dragon. Do it like this, not too small and not too big, because then it won't come out really well. And fold it over. Okay, done it. I also put this scotch. As I said, you will need paper scotch or glue, whatever you want. Use it. So because I use paper scotch because it's more strong. Then do the same thing on the other part, so the smallest, and this has to be half of the bigger part, so really smaller. Do just the half. Because then, as I said before, if you do it smaller or bigger, it won't come out really well. But it's your decision. Oops, it's your decision. It's not a problem. And do the same thing. I put the scotch or the glue, same thing, and you see that they have different dimensions. And then you have to fold it in half, the bigger part. Take just the bigger part and fold it in half in order to do a triangle. Sorry for the light, but it's okay. In order to do a triangle, you can do it square, but it's okay. Okay, do the same thing for the other part, so the smaller. Then take another paper, and for this you will need a pencil and an eraser if you want. Take a pencil, and you have to do the draw like I'm going to show you in a minute. Okay, you have to the bigger part has to be 4 of your finger. So and then you have to draw it, so it will be pretty good. It will fit. It has to attach like this, and 4 fingers, as I said, and then do a thing like this. Draw another part, so you can put the glue on those little sides and stick it up on the bigger and smaller part, whatever you want. Then do the same thing for the smaller. And the other has to be 3 fingers, so 4 and 3. Remember, because this is really important. You could do it a little smaller, but it's your choice. Then cut. I cut it. So here you will need the scissors. And once you've done this, so once you've cut it, I'm going to show you pretty well what you have to do next. So you will have to fold the 2 little sides. Here you need to have really precise in this, because if you are not precise, the base won't come out well. Then do the same thing for the other part, and take the glue. I recommend you use the glue here because the scotch is not really recommended here, but do whatever you want, it's your choice. I use the glue just in this part, and glue the 2 sides. Put the glue on the 2 sides like this. Put much glue because it has to stick. It has to stick really well. So do the same thing also then for the other part. And then I'm going to show you like this. You have to stick it on the side. This is pretty simple. You have to be precise in this because it's not as easy as you can see, as you would thought. So then you see, if you want, if there is not really a stick, you could put some scotch. Then cut the part, the extra part, so it will be more precise. I'm saying too much the word precise, I know, but I don't know what other word I can say. So this is the first part. Oh my god, before. This is the first part, and then the second part, you look, is coming up. It's coming. Then, sorry, do the same thing also for the other part. Same exact thing. So glue it. And put scotch if you want to make it more stronger. I recommend the scotch because I put it many times. Then cut a big part. Cut a big piece of paper. And then cutting it off like this in half. It has to be 4 of your fingers, also this, and cutting it off like this. Then this has to go like wait a second, this has to go on the upper part, so it is going to so like your fingers are not going away. I don't know how to say that, but like this. I'm going to show you better. Then you have to fold it so it will take the correct form and the same exact form of the base. Do start from the lower part, from the smaller part, because in the bigger part you will need to do another really important thing. If you want, it's not actually, I do it because it's really important, but yeah. Then use the scotch if you want, like this. Put it. Here you have to put this paper scotch or the normal scotch because it has to stick. Because the glue is not really, recommend. Then put the scotch also on the other side. Sorry, but I have to do it. Okay. Here I am, I did it. Like this, you see, and we are going to put it away. Take the bigger part, and with the paper, I already cut a little part. It has to be 1 or 2 your fingers. Then it has to be big as your 2 finger in the middle of your hand. Take the sign with the pencil and just fold it 2 little parts like this. 1 part and also the second part. If the second part is too big, then cut it as I did. Then take the paper scotch and put it on one side like this, and attach it there on the side as you want, like this. You could put it more, you could put it in the middle, or I don't know, whatever you want. I did also the same thing on the upper part, as you I'm not going to show you, I didn't show you because I already shown you the little part, so I think it's pretty much easier. In the little ring, don't just put like, 2 pieces scotch, but put more. Then here, as I didn't told you this before, but you have to, like, if you want, you can cut, like, if the smaller part you don't want it, you want it bigger or smaller, I don't know, whatever you want, cut it like I did here. Like, if you don't want the part to combaciare, I don't know how to say it, to combine like this, like I did. And then put the scotch to attach the two parts together. And put also on the sides so it will be more strong and not break. And nothing. And nothing. The base is finished. Sorry, but I'm stupid. Bye.